So I wanted to take a minute to show you some of our resources on our Career Center homepage. The easiest way to get here is to just go into your browser and type in glendale.edu/career center. This brings you to our Career Center homepage. So we'll scroll down to the bottom under Start Exploring Now. We have some excellent resources. The first one I want to show you is what can I do with this major? This is an excellent resource for students who want to navigate and research a little bit about different majors. We often have students ask us, what can I do with a major in English or history, for example? So we will click on View All Majors. And then this will bring up a list of majors for you to look at. So since we used English as an example, we'll click on English. And this then tells you different areas within English that you can go into. So this tells you writing and editing, tells you things like creative writing, novels, poetry, journalism, what types of employers hire people in this area, and what strategies that they suggest that you do if you want to get into this field. And then it breaks down different areas: technical communication, publishing, the different areas of publishing, education, advertising, public relations, law, business. And then it gives you some general information about a bachelor's degree in English. And then it also tells you professional associations, Occupational Outlook Handbook, which is more career research that you can do on pay and job outlook, and other resources. So what can I do with this major can be a great resource for students who want to explore a little bit about different majors. Practically every major is listed in here. For example, let's say you want to know what you can do with a major in kinesiology. And again, another great example that breaks down things like physical fitness, athletic training, physical therapy, occupational therapy. So what can I do with this major can be a great resource that we definitely recommend that our students use when doing research on different careers.